Hello students, good morning. I hope you all are good and safe. Today we are start our next topic, that is Earth in space. I am going to read third paragraph, page number 2. The sun is a very bright star. The sun is a very bright star. It is a huge ball of very hot gases and it gives us heat and light. It is much bigger than Earth and other planets. The Earth is not fixed in one place. It spins in an anti-clockwise direction. It completes one round in 24 hours. The Earth also moves around the Sun. The Earth also moves around the Sun. It takes a year for the Earth to move around the Sun. Anti-clockwise means in opposite direction. It moves like this. Let's have a look on important points. The Sun is a bright star. The Sun gives us heat and light. The Earth is not fixed in one place. The Earth spins and it completes one round in 24 hours. The Earth also moves around the Sun. The Earth takes a year to move around the Sun. Here are some words meaning. Bright mean shiny. Huge mean big or large. Not fixed, not in one place. Spins mean twist or turn. Around mean by a circular route. Activity number 1. Fill in the blanks. The Sun is a very dash star. The Sun is a very bright star. The Sun gives us dash and dash. The Sun gives us heat and light. The Earth is not dash in one place. The Earth is not fixed in one place. The Earth spins in an dash direction, anti-clockwise direction. It takes dash for the Earth to move around the Sun. It takes 1 year for the Earth to move around the Sun. Activity number 2. Draw the diagram of the Sun and the Earth in your homework copies. Does the Earth stay in one place? In which direction our Earth spins? Thank you student. God bless you. Stay home. Stay safe.